Good morning, everyone. Today our topic is the exploitation. What is the exploitation? Exploitation is a way when people take advantage from the other person and other things is called the exploitation. In our country, many types of exploitation is increased day by day, like that natural resources and labor force and sexual harassment and child labors and criminal technology and other that points is in medical fields and technology fields. These are many types of exploitation is increased day by day. I'm going to tell about the natural resources. What is the natural resources? Many people in natural resources exploitation is that most of the industries come to our India and they destroy the trees, fields and many types, and they build their buildings, and after that they stabilize their industry, and this thing is very bad. Day by day trees are decreasing. These things are day by day decreasing. So most of the people, this is the natural resources and technology resources. Most of the people who is in most intelligence, they are learning the many types of technologies and they are using their bad manners. They are hacking many fields and they are doing these things. And that next point is that medical resources, medical exploitation. In medical exploitation, who's in government sector, peoples are not caring the poor persons. Who is a rich person? Most of the doctors care only the rich person, not care the poor persons. And the third is that, yes sir, in medical fields and most of the government doctor, they are not giving the time properly in government hospital. They are open their own hospital and they are sitting there. They are not giving the most of the time in government hospital. They are after they are sitting only 2 or 3 hours in government hospital. After that they come their own hospital and they spend their times on their own hospitals, and they are not giving the proper time in government hospital. And like that in private hospital, most of the private hospital is open, but their charges is more high. Again their charges is more high, or they are taking more money with the patient, and they open their own medicals, and only people can take medicine from their own medicals. It's in labor sector, most of the people are working day by day, but they according their need, according their work, people's not getting the money. Most of the industry people, laborers are working. They are giving the time 8 or 9 hours, but according their working, peoples are not getting money more. This is the exploitation of labor. And child labor, most of the children, the age is under the 18. They are working in many fields, like that in coal mine and coal mines and hotels and many other places they are working. And that it's child exploitations. So exploitation of air. In this time, many cars and bikes are coming day by day. Population is increased day by day, or many cars and bike is increased day by day. This is a main problem of air pollutions. Many people are working in their fields, and they are using their bikes and car unwanted way, and they are not taking the seriously, but they are using their bikes anywhere where they are going. They take bikes and the car and go. Day by day cars and bikes and increase, and air pollution is day by day increase. This is exploitation of air.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.